Greetings to all. In this lecture, we will discuss how to load external data into our environment. I think you people know that many companies or colleges stores their data in a secured medium, and most of the people will prefer to save their data in databases, right? And in some cases, if they are followed in the traditional if there is any traditional databases like CSV files, Excel files, JSONs, and if the data is available in XML, that means if you wanted to extract data from the websites without their permission or with their permission, the data will be saved in XML files. So after getting the data, how to do analysis? The R is the motto of R is to do analysis, to do statistical analysis, to give better results, to give guidance to the user, right? So in this lecture, we will extract and analysis CSV file data. So this lecture is all about CSV files. In our coming videos, we will see how to load, how to work with the Excel data, how to work with the JSON files, and how to work with databases also. So in this lecture, we are focusing on CSV file. So what is CSV file? CSV stands for a comma separated values file, is a plain text file which contains a list of data. These files are often used for the exchange of data between different applications. These files sometimes be called character separated values or comma separated files. Basically, the R allows us to read data from files which are stored outside the R environment. So from outside the R environment data to inside R environment data, how it is possible. So we will see it practically. So for that, I am opening my R environment. So R environment, I opened my R environment. So what I need is, now I need data, CSV data, right? So I have my CSV file in a F folder, F drive of R programming folder. This is my CSV file. So I have, this is the CSV file. Type the data like this in a notepad file with a comma separated value, id comma name comma salary comma start date comma dpt. You can give whatever you want as a field names, but the first row of a file will be treated as, the first row of a file will be treated as field names for the data. So when it is loaded into the R environment, right? So I have taken 8 rows, 8 records basically, and I am saving this with a .csv. So see here, CSV data. CSV data is a file name, so I am saving this with .csv extension. So .csv extension is mandatory for to indicate that is a CSV file, right? So anything in the computer is a file, video file, audio file, image file, everything is a file, but the behavior of the file is decided with the data extension only. For suppose if I have save this dot mp4, then it will mp4, then it will become a video file. If I say this as mp3, then automatically it will become a video file. If I say this as a jpeg, then it will become an image. So for that, if I wanted to say that is the CSV file, so I need to save it with .csv extension, right? So it is clear, right? Okay, then after save it, no problem, already, so I have already file there, so I'm doing yes, my file is saved, right? So I'm closing this file. I think you people need to look at this. This is the data available in the file. Actually that file is, that data is not available in the R environment. So I need to load this notepad or .csv or comma separated values file data into my R environment. Why I need to load the data into R environment? So um, the answer is simple. I need to do analysis on the data available. So you people may ask a question that there is only 8 records, so what is the use of doing analysis using a big tool called R? So it is a practical session, right? So I have taken only 8 records, but in the real time you people will deal with lakhs of records in a file. So in that case, in the case of lakhs of records, you people uh, can't do analysis manually. So we need R analysis or some other Python. So we are in the context of R right now, so we will go with the R environment. So where I have file, I have my file in the EF drive R programming folder, right? So but my pointer is located where, if you wanted to see if you wanted to see the current working directory of R language, so you have a function called get working directory, wd. Enter. This is your working directory. If the file is saved in this folder, in this documents folder, then there is no need to give a complete path for that file. We will see. And for reading the data, CSV data especially, we have a function called read CSV function. Sorry, read.csv function. Read.csv function. This function returns data frame as a output, and this function takes file name as input. The file name, what is our file name? CSV data .csv, right? So CSV data.csv. If the file is available in this particular folder, in this particular path, so there is no need to give complete path. Directly you can do it. Enter. So see that our error in file cannot open connection. In addition, warning message, what cannot open file CSV, no such file or directory found. So basically I am in my working directory. This file is not available in documents folder, so there is no such file. The file is not not available in that particular folder. So what to do? I need to tell the R environment where my file was located. How to tell? I need to give my complete path of the file where it was located. Complete path. So I will take the complete path. It was in say yes, F drive R programming, and if you mention backslash there, then definitely it will open each and every file available in that folder. So I will use down arrow and I will select my location here. Okay, done. I copied that path along with the file name. So I came back to R environment, and again I'm using this here. I'm pasting the complete path. So by using this path, what I am doing here, I am giving information to the R environment that CSV data.csv file is located in F R programming, so that you can go there and read everything that is in the form of CSV. So this function returns what? This function returns a data frame. So take a variable called d. D is a variable. So entire data will be copied from CSV data to D in the form of data frame. So I wanted to tell you one thing here. These are the escape characters. Actually, these are the escape characters. We should not give escape characters in the file path of any programming language. For that you can do forward slash. That is okay with it. Enter, press enter. So data was loaded into D. We will check it once. D. Yes. Now the D contains all the data of CSV data file, right? So external data is loaded into a variable called D, and that variable is a data frame. Now entire data is available in the R environment. So now you can perform whatever operation you want on the available data, right? I will check once for your information, kind information class of D. What is the function class do? It will return class of D, means it will return class function returns what? Data type of a variable. So as I said, as the read.csv function returns what? Data frame as output. So D is a data frame right now, and we can do operations on data frame D. So what is the operation that you wanted to perform first? So I wanted to find a person complete details who are getting maximum salary in the company. So for that I am using max function. Max is a function. So max will take what? Max is a function. Basically it will take a group of values, and from the group of values uh, it will get a bigger value among the group of values. So where is the salary field? Here is the salary field. How to get that salary field separately among all these values? So among all these values, how to get that? Means the data is available in D. So dollar sign, you can access dollar sign, and what is that? Salary. Then it will give salary entire column values, right? Entire column values will be printed here, so you can use that. So max of D dollar salary, right? So what max function takes as input means group of values. It will take group of values, and from the group of values it will fetch what? The bigger value among the group of values. This is the 932.8 is the biggest value from salary field. But my question is, I want the complete details of a person who are getting maximum salary in the company. So for that I am using a function called subset. So subset is a function, as the name suggests, subset. It is, if you call this one as, if you treat this one as a set, among this set I want a person as a subset out of it. So I will take subset function. Subset function will take two values. One is data, another one is condition, right? Data. So my entire data, on which data set I am going to perform this operation? Data set D. So complete data available in D. From complete data I want a person who is getting maximum salary. So my condition is basing on salary field, right? So salary. So what is the condition? Max sal. Using this function I get what? Maximum amount who is taking. See that? Anish, record number 7 is ID number 7, is getting the maximum salary. He is working in the operationals department, right? And another query, another question. uh, who are the people working in IT department? I wanted to know who are the people working in IT department. Same query, but the condition will change a little bit. So in this I am taking in my query, what I'm asking, who are the people working in IT department. So department, I will take DEPT, and I am comparing using relational operator. My condition is IT, right? IT. So see, there are three people working in IT department, right? Amazing, right? So you are but if there are lakhs of records also, you can work very easily using our environment. So another question from my side, who are the people working in company, or we will work on what, joining date, right? Joining date, who joined after 2030. Okay, I will use this function, and I am taking start underscore date, right? How to start underscore date. How to decide this variable? You just go, you just see the names start underscore date. So you need to give the variable as it is available in data frame. So you should not give capital letters, small letters, okay, right? So as it is in the data frame, it is available, you need to use that thing. So no changes are allowed there. So if any changes, it is case sensitive, so it should not allow you. So I'm subset of, so my data is available in D, and my condition is who are joined in the company 2014 0101. So 2014 0101. So actually the data is available in the form of character, right? So I wanted to do typecasting as the date is greater than as that date. So here I mention 2014 0101. Here start underscore date. I'm comparing start underscore date values, and which is greater than 2014 1 and 1. So what it will print? It will print all the values above 2014 1 and 1, right? So see here, 2014 11th month, 2014 5th month, 2014 6th month, 2015 3rd month. Actually in the real data set we have 2013 also, 2013 to 2013 also. So these values are removed. That means they are available in the data frame, but we got those results as in extracted values from the data set, right? So you can do operations like this, and you can do one thing also. You can get the people who are working in the IT department with a salary greater than 600. So you can use and symbol here, and salary greater than 600, right? You can use and symbol to combine two conditions. So this is a person who is getting salary more than 600. Okay, right. And one more question from my side is how to get complete details of a person whose name starts with any letter or whose name starts with the letter A. So I don't know the person, but I know his name starts with a A. So I came to a company and I am asking in the reception that that person name starts with A. So I want please guide me. Please show me the complete names whose name starts with A in your company. So what I want to do here, again I'm using subset function. Subset, what subset takes complete data. The data is available here, and here the condition. So condition means condition always returns what, true or false, right? So here I'm using a function called starts with. So starts with is a function. It will take data values and character. Here I am supplying um, a data available in the name field, right? In the name field, how to get that name field? CSV dollar, sorry, d dollar, d, right? D dollar name field, comma, starts with the letter what? A. Starts with the letter A. This is my function, but here you need to know one thing, that I need to typecast all these into character. These are not character, really character, but here I am supplying what? A character value. These are what? These are factors. These are factors, because this entire data is binded, and here a name field is available. From the name field I need to get the persons whose name starts with a particular letter. Here I have taken a letter, that A. So here I need to do typecasting. So for that, here you can see, for typecasting, what is the function? As that character, right? As that character. That's it. We will see here, we are getting the person, all the person names who are working in different departments, whose name starts with A, right? The complete details are available using that function. So this is the way to work with the CSV files, and I think all you guys are cleared with the CSV files and working with CSV file, how to load the CSV file and how to do extraction of data. So for you need to do some more practice on this, and you need to ask questions yourself, how to extract, and different questions you need to ask yourself, and do calculations and use statistical functions like max, min, okay, mean, median, mode, okay, and use relational operators like double is equal to, greater than, as equal to, less than, and use some typecasting when you are dealing with a single field among the data frame. So if you people are having any doubt regarding this CSV file, working with the CSV file, you just do comment below, and you will get answer as soon as possible. Thank you very much.